My second trip in Tokyo with Ashley. Just got ourselves a hotel. This is definitely a bit more Japanese style than I was expecting. This thing is tiny. The last time I was in a hotel room anywhere near this small, it was actually in Seoul. But this is actually even smaller than that. So take a look. So you come in, it's just literally the bed. You got your TV section right here. Okay. Your entryway into your bathroom. Now I will say that the bathroom area is cool. You got a deep tub, which is nice. Your bathroom, you got the tub and the bathroom really close to each other. No barrier in between, which is, you can actually probably shower on this floor. That's how a lot of the Japanese bathrooms are designed, that you can actually spray water all in this section and it's totally fine. And our little closet space. So yeah, this is a tiny, quaint little bedroom, but apparently a very uncomfortable bed, but it will have to do. Found this little ramen shop, like about half a block away from my hotel. It's called Ramen Toyoki. Way back home to the hotel, and I can officially say that is one of the best bowls of ramen I've ever had in my entire life. That thing was smacking. It was amazing. I'm just gonna go up to my room, take a shower, and get ready for an early morning. Tokyo on Christmas Eve, and the first place Ashley wanted to go see? These toilets, apparently they're broken, so that was a bit of a waste of a trip, but they are supposed to be see-through when someone's not inside of them, and they turn these dark colors once you're actually using the bathroom. Really wanted to use these toilets. Sadly, they're stuck in the dark color mode according to these signs, so they're not really working, but that's what we're doing Christmas Eve. We're looking at toilets. That's what she wanted to do. All right, now that we have gone to the bathroom, we are on our way to the Meiji-jo, or is it Meiji-ji? How do you say it? The Meiji Temple, which I've actually been to before. It was in one of my Meiji Ginko? No, that's wrong. Ginkgo is bank. That's wrong. We obviously don't speak Japanese. I've been here before. It was in one of my last videos, but Ashley's never seen it, so we're gonna go check it out. So Ashley just said that this place is much prettier than what it looks like in my first YouTube video, which is very true. I'm telling you guys, the YouTube videos, my camera, it doesn't really take in the beauty and the colors of this place. So you gotta visit. I promise you, however good it looks in my videos, it's 2, 3, 4 times better in real life. So you gotta come out here. Leaving the shrine. The thing about a quick trip to Tokyo, because we're only going to be here for the weekend, is got to do everything kind of fast because we want to see a lot of stuff. So we're already off to the next place. Here, and we're looking for something to eat. We run into this building called the Shibuya Scramble, and it's like a bakery area with nothing but sweets and bread. So much to choose from. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to get one of these muffins later too. It's just over here. Oh, it looks so good. So we went and got the caramel walnut and the, what is this one? The cheesecake Oreo.
Oreo lemon cheesecake.
Oh, Oreo
No,
lemon. Orange. Oreo orange cheesecake. So, gonna give these a try. So we split them in half because we each want to try each flavor. So, see how this tastes. Oh.
Messy.
It was good though. Verdict is in. The orange one was better, but they were both really good. We ate that in we ate both of those in 2 minutes. We scarfed those down. Tokyo Sky. I haven't looked directly down yet. I'd rather not. Oh yeah. Oh. I don't know. I absolutely hate heights. So how we even got up here, I don't understand. You can see Mount Fuji from here. That's crazy. That's Mount Fuji.
I think we have
You can see Shibuya Crossing from up here. That's crazy. One of the most famous crosswalks in the world. So we were on our way to Gotokuji Temple. So we were on our way to Gotokuji, the cat temple, and we found this other temple on the way. Oh, it's a shrine, Setagaya Hashiman Shrine. The formation of the shrine dates back to the 5th year of Kanji in 1091 in the Heian period. Excuse me for mispronouncing these names. When Minamoto no Yoshi, a powerful samurai lord, stayed in the area for 10 days as heavy rain prevented him from going back to the Oshu province. While staying here, he gave a ceremony to his deity, Hashiman, whom he worshipped and instructed the villagers in the area to worship him as well as their guardian deity. While doing this, he held sumo wrestling matches, which are said to be the precursor of the sumo wrestling matches during the Autumn Festival, which is one of the 3 major sumo events of the Edo period. Washing your hands and your mouth before you go into the shrine. The sumo ring. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. So here I am, I'm staring at this sumo mat, and I'm like, yo, I want to do some sumo stuff. I want to mess around with it, but I'm not sure because it's a temple. So I don't know if it's consider it to be disrespectful or not to like go on there, but it also looks like they still use it. So like I'm very nervous right now. I don't know the culture, but at the end of the day, I'm just like, I think it's okay. I hop on, decide to mess around, and then I decide to do some karate kata. I know absolutely zero sumo, so this karate kata was the closest I could do. I am a heavy martial artist, for those who don't know, so if you are interested in my martial art journey, I do have another channel for that, and I will put the link down below in the description. Here we are at the next temple. Gotokuji temple. This is actually, from my understanding, a burial ground for some Japanese, a Japanese family of lords or daimyos. There's a legend that the daimyo of the area got called into the shrine or the temple, and it helped him avoid a lightning strike, which is where the idea of lucky cats comes from, because the cat saved him. And that's why I was calling this the cat shrine, because I know somewhere in here there's supposed to be a bunch of cat statues. It's a very pretty area. Oh yeah, there's cats engraved in the wood. Look at that. Cats. There's so many. This is insane. There's so many. They're everywhere. This was all the cats. Then you turn the corner, and there's even more. They're all over the place. Oh yeah, probably don't know.
There's some of those polarized, I guess.
So we bought one of the good luck cats, and we're gonna place it with the group because they didn't have enough cats already. He is trying to find a spot. Where do you want to place it? She can't decide. I feel like it's not this complicated. All right, there you go. The cat has been placed. And now we will have good luck for the rest of the year, or however long it's supposed to last. I don't actually know the full legend, but there we go. So Ashely has changed her mind. She found these hidden cats up here. Now this is where we've placed our cat, up here, hidden in the rafters. Oh, almost fell. Let's see what else is here. Let's see what else is out here. Oh, this is normal. So Ashely and I walk around the rest of the temple. We're going and looking at a Japanese cemetery. The first time I've ever been to one. It was very beautiful. The
tombs are actually designed in a very different way than they are in the West. I thought it was really interesting. But yeah, that's the end of this video, but please like, subscribe, hit the notification button, because Ashely and I are going to have some really cool future adventures here in Tokyo and on the rest of her trip as we go around Japan. So please hit that notification bell so you can watch the next one. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.